Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while again, but good news, I just got a job, and so I think this might be more consistent going forward now. One thing that I'm going to be working on, the thing that I'm going to be working on today will be fuel lines. And with my beam swap, I have a inlet, but I don't have an outlet. And so this is a 86 or 8092. You can get these off of 86 and 8092s, but they will be able to be used for the fuel lines. And so what we're going to be doing today is modifying this hose so that I can use it as a custom piece for the swap. As you can see, this one's kind of curved without a little barb. This one has a little stop barb or stop fitting that you can actually put onto the rail so that it stops while you're tightening it. I'm going to be using a screw and a washer, a vise, and my trusty Dremel. Here we go. Okay, so the plan is this portion right here is going to get cut off. We're just going to cut this. This is a crimp to the hose, and what it does is it protects it from like breaking in half or like cracking from here, and it holds the hose to the actual fitting. So we're going to cut straight across, pry that off, and then we'll be able to get to this actual hose fitting itself.
Are you listening?
There it goes. That was like really quick. You can see it's cut completely through, and we're gonna be able to pry that apart. Okay, let's try this. Back this up, it's touching.
Are you
There it
listening?
is. Might have to cut both sides. No. Let's see.
Can you make this a little bit more lower?
do this first. Alright. I'll be right back. Alright. Hold on.
Can I use these petals for something?
There we go. All you need to do now is cut this off and you're good. I'll do that right now.
Can I do the video?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Daddy?
There it is. Now you can throw another hose on here and have a beautiful little fitting. You don't have to cut and extend two ends, and you can do this side as well up here, which I'm gonna do right now. And these can be your brand new fittings for your hoses, which will most likely go right here. Right here, is it this way or probably this way? Yeah. This one looks like a perfect fit for that. That's it, like right about there. Shoot it out this way. Run the line through the throttle body here, and we're good.
Now you can play with me?
Yeah, let's play.
Yay.
Alright guys, so here it is. My little end fitting, the fuel screw bolt, washer. It'll sit right about there. It'll right there. It'll hopefully it's the same pattern, but I'm afraid it might be a different thread pitch. Maybe, possibly, most likely, but we'll figure it out. We'll find another one of these bolts somewhere, and then we'll use this as the hose to return. And if you guys know which one is return, hit me up. The far left one, the middle one is fuel in, I believe. No, fuel in there with the filter, I believe. And I think this is return, the middle one. And that's breather. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. Somebody in the comment section, let me know. And here are both of the fittings. I think this one fit best. This one, because it didn't have that little extra piece on there, so I can do it either way. And I think that's it. Okay, so I was wrong. The bolts here from the other Toyotas actually fit. The original one is just a plug, so It's this short. It's not as long as these other ones that actually have the hole. So it's just a plug. Like this one would just be a plug as well, just like this. So you can't reuse those. And it's fitting perfectly. See the line here? It's gonna go out this way, right between the throttle body. This is just the return hose. But I'm gonna extend that hose and have this one right here, the inlet, come through here and come out of here. I think that's the right one. And then I'll have a fuel pressure regulator, external fuel pressure regulator, mounted around here somewhere, and we'll route that in correctly. But another piece done. So if you ever go to a junk, just pull these off the Toyotas and you'll be able to reuse them. This is weird. This one has like 2 different diameters, but I like this one more. There you go, guys. I hope it works. I mean, it's all in theory now. So, alright. Hopefully that helped you guys. Hopefully you'll be able to make your own beautiful little fuel lines now, knowing this little trick here. This is the bracket, the throttle cable bracket that I made. I might redo it. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. It works fine. It's all lined up correctly. You see the line centered down there. But we'll see. I had a subscriber comment and giving me a hint on how to start my engine. So I might try the OEM harness again. Power, ground the engine, and then power B plus and B minus, I think. And then might slot that as well, the motor mount, the actual mount to the cross member, so that I could push it forward. You see how this piece right here is actually touching the sway bar. So I have to either drop the sway bar first or the A-arms first and then do that, or figure out something. But I really don't want to have to cut this hole, and he noted to me that I don't have to if I slot the cross members. So that's a pretty great idea actually. So thanks for watching, guys. I know a lot of rambling, but this one wants some attention. Little by little, piece by piece. Alright guys, take it easy.